Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel items on Temu. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on you to see your orders, and you're going to click right here your orders, and you're going to just go ahead to the processing orders, right? So basically you're going to see the specific product, and you're going to just click cancel or other help, and just select the reason why you want to help. Like if you want to say like the processing is too long, or you want to cancel your item, or wrong address, need to change it, or I haven't received an order confirmation email, right? And then you're gonna select your reason. If you want to cancel the order, you're gonna select the item that you want to cancel basically. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna select the item and everything, and choose a specific item if you have more than one item, and then select the reason why. It's gonna open up like a new window, and you're gonna answer why you want to cancel this order, right? Maybe order by mistake, or no longer want this item. And then you're gonna follow along to the next step, and then select the refund method. If you want to get the refund for this product via Apple Pay or wire to your Temu credit balance, just go ahead and select it. Just go ahead, and afterwards, this cancellation, you're gonna confirm that you want to submit this or like cancellation, and then if you want to confirm, just go ahead and hit yes, and then you're gonna confirm that you want to cancel this item. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.